You saw it. That's right. My BB, my best buddy, just got back not only with the bounty puck, but with the bounty itself. We're going to take a look at him up close. Before we get started, though, if you like this video, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that notification bell so you will know when we drop new videos and bring you beautiful bounties right here, right now. Without further ado, though, let's light it up. All right, guys, the bounty hunters are here. Boker Plus autos, 4 of them. 4 different Boker Plus autos, bounty hunter edition. SMKW exclusives right here. Let's dive right in. Let's not waste any time. We know you want to see them. First up, out of the gate, is going to be that Kalishnikov in the bead blast satin finish right there, and that thing is gorgeous. And Boker has really knocked this out of the park. Let's take a look at those up close. Now, this one features a 3.25-inch AUS 8 bead-blasted blade right there. It's got the aluminum handles with our SMKW exclusive bounty hunter theme on them. 1/8-inch thickness on that blade. It is an out-the-side auto, coming in at 4.25 inches closed and 7.75 inches overall, weighing in at just 3.9 ounces. Like I said, aluminum handles with that bounty hunter finish. And if you know the Kalashnikov, you know how good these things feel in the hand. And the action on these is phenomenal. Got the red accents. The bounty hunter theme on these is just fantastic. And not only do we have it in the bead blast finish, but we also have it in the black oxide coated finish right there. Again, both of those out the side automatics, push button deployment and lock. So that push button is the lock as well. So check those out. Those are coming in at $49.99. That's not all, though. We've also got our bounty hunter themed strike. Now, we know a lot of you out there love the strike. Let's take a look at that one up close as well. This thing looks really cool. Let's look at that one top down. That's a great profile on that beautiful knife right there. Boker Plus Strike Automatic Clip Point. Now, this one's coming in with the black oxide finish. 3.25 inches on that AUS 8 blade right there. And this one's got the black oxide finish. Blade thickness of 0.12 inches. Nice and slicey. It is an out-the-side automatic with the push button open, and it's got the thumb slide lock. And the thing with these thumb slide locks is it not only locks it when the blade is closed, which is a nice security feature if you're carrying this in your pocket, but it's also going to lock it after you open it. So you cannot close that blade. It's not going to come you're not going to accidentally engage that button and close the blade on you. A nice extra security feature on this one. And this one's got, of course, the bounty hunter themed handles. Now, if you look at this one too, this one's got the stainless steel liners, just like all the strikes do, and this one matches the blade. So you've got the black oxide coating on the stainless steel liners. You see the red accents on the spacers right there. Everything has been thought of with these knives, and not only do we have it in the black oxide coating, but we've also got it in the bead blast finish as well. Again, beautiful knife, fits great in the hand. This one's coming in 4.5 inches closed, 7.75 inches overall, weighs in at 4.73 ounces. And, of course, the strike comes with that zippered case right there with the padding on the inside. Beautiful package right there. That one's coming in at $54.99. So $49.99 for the Kalishnikov, $54.99 for the strike. Check these out, y'all. You can only get them right here at SMKW. So check these out. Link in the description below. Click on it. These will be available Wednesday, February 2nd, 2022. Now check these out, folks. These are really cool. As always, it's been me, TC, here with SMKW. And remember, if it cuts like a bounty hunter auto, that we carry.